Well, everyone's out there at Country Thunder. Your boy's getting his reps in. Hey, not saying I wouldn't enjoy Country Thunder, but I'm certainly not going to spend that money, baby. Crazy. Couple no pressure shots. Today I'm training with a total of 3 mags. Don't need to shoot a lot to get your reps in. That's for dang sure. I was watching a video, it said slow is steady as I was leaving the house. So I'm taking that to heart. And I'm making sure I get nice, consistent, steady reps in. Definitely not try to race nobody today. Normally I'm aiming for a 1.5, but today I just want some consistent draws, consistent grip. Making sure that my garment's clear every time. Sometimes it's not about burning it down. Sometimes it's just consistency. Talking like a FUD, baby. Oh, there we go. That's why we practice. Oh, garment got snagged. Didn't get it cleared. Followed by a solid miss. I have 2 shots up. To the left. Today is like week 2, almost week 3 of not drinking any alcohol. Oh, that's what I get for prepping the trigger. Shot early, just low. We'll get a quick pause and a reference point for the size of this target. About the size of a palm, man-sized hand. My thought process is train tight, somewhere around here. Yeah, that seems about right. Train tight, train small. Margin for error is small. For those of you on Reddit, give your boy some feedback. I appreciate it. It's also going to go up on the old IG, on the old Instagram. So if anybody's on IG, down and left, and wants to give me some feedback, I appreciate it. Alright, enough jabbing my jaw. If nothing eventful happens, maybe we'll just cut some of this out. Oh, phooey. Oof. Shenanigans. Phooey, man. Phooey. I really could be doing a lot of this at home via dry fire. I don't necessarily have to be spending money on ammo. Goodness. Fumbling with my shirt. Been reading a lot on Reddit about Gray Man. So instead of throwing on my bucked up shirt or something that I'd traditionally wear, I bought myself a 6-pack of some plain Hanes or Fruit of the Looms. I think it's Hanes with a little pocket. And it's gray, because Gray Man. And I reckon we got 1 meg left. I should really number these. And the last one's got a red bottom on it. Go ahead and put you back, buddy. All right. Though I've been shooting mediocre at best, we'll try to burn it down a couple times. It'd help if I chambered around. Just got trolled on the old Reddit. Oh. Poor draw. Took me forever to aim, but not bad. 167. Oof, Martha. My grip was just horrid. Shame on me. It's time I get an optic, I think. Oh, if the for no other reason than my astigmatism makes it a little bit easier to find my target. All right, fast on the draw, steady on the presentation. Oh, too much of a hurry. Man, oh man. I can feel it. That would have been a waste of money. I need to go home and dry fire some more. That's it, folks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. About 12 paces. Palm size target. And that's the training for this week for live fire. As all of 45 rounds, I think. Less than a box of ammo. Not too shabby. Considering the timing. Let's see what we got. Oh. Well, I think it's time to go hit up Box Canyon. See what's up with Perry. I suppose I can take my ear pro out. And give you guys the tour of Box Canyon Defense. With Perry's permission. Let's see what my boy's doing. Yo. Oh, boy. There's a fly in here. Got ourselves a real fly. Little did you guys know I'm a professional driver as well. Squad. For those of you that have been following along on the YouTube channel long enough, remember that Miata. Yup. Alright, we'll pick up here in a moment. Alright, the old Bellow Park getting a shot. The boys got it still. I ain't be able to share this video though, because of the music. Let's see what Perry's got going on. Oh no, is he closed today? Oh no. Oh no. Well, it's a thought that counts. Box Canyon Defense Co. Hit him up. Bucked up. Protein. 25 grams of protein inside this little bad boy. Hit it up. Ugh. Boy. Well, McDuders, since Perry was closed today, I figured I'd just come home, do some cleaning in the shop, see what I think Grantham's got going on here. Is this Grantham or is this Dirty Civilian? Yup. Got some new equipment. Last time I posted up the video, got rid of the tire rack. This weekend I'm fixing to finish Grandpa's BMW. Gonna get that up and running. Gas in the tank, ready to go for it. Just gotta take the pump out, and yeah, easier to get stuff done when you're not drinking beer. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. And yeah, today was chest day. So I had a little chest workout. Acquisitions, snagged that bad mammer jam. All the stuff I got on Marketplace for the dirty cheap, I just had to drive a little bit for it. We got a lat pull down machine. Got some 10 through 90 Bowflex adjustable dumbbells, leg extension, a leg curl machine, because I absolutely hate squatting. Squat rack, don't use it. I'm sorry, babe. My wife bought me that for Christmas, and I do use it for other things. It's a squat rack. The only thing I don't do with it is squat. Shame on me. That's why I have a little butt and small legs. So we got that. We're gonna start working on it. My wife's treadmill. She didn't want to get rid of the free weights, so we still got those in the corner. I am fixing to put up a shelf along there so we can put some of the workout stuff up top. Gonna clean it up a little bit, and then I'm gonna do a shelf in the office while I'm at it. Ideally we'll paint the walls the same color that we'll paint the accenting wall in the kitchen. And then last project, but the most important project, we're gonna do brakes, oil change, and my wife's dead set at doing a transmission fluid flush, oil flush, but we'll see. I'm not enthusiastic to do that one, although I'm willing to do it. So we're gonna do a little bit of work on the Mitsubishi, probably not this weekend, but it's gonna get done. But yeah, there's some updates for you guys. I ripped the Cove home and I didn't have my GoPro on, so you guys missed that, but it was rowdy and it was fun. It's been a minute since I've ridden the Cove, and I think I might try to get out for a ride Sunday. Today is Friday the 10th. So as you guys see this, probably tomorrow, drop a comment, and for you guys in the Facebook group chat, let me know if you guys want to go riding on Sunday. So I got the day free, and I'm fixing to go relatively far and chase the good temps in the early morning, see how far we can get. But as always, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, praying for everyone. I hope you all stay safe. Cheers.